It's time for an update on our landscaping project. Over the last few weeks, Ryan has been clearing out all of these weeds in the entire backyard. And unfortunately, during this process, we uncovered a leaky irrigation pipe. We have never used the sprinkler system here, so I don't know how long this has been leaking, but chances are it's been leaking for a very long time. This could explain a lot of the issues that we've been experiencing. The good news is the pipe has been repaired and we can continue on with the project, which is to add topsoil to level everything out and to plant a clover lawn. As you can see, our magnolia tree is in desperate need of more soil to cover up all of those roots. What you're seeing us do now is aerating the soil, which allows more air, water, and nutrients to penetrate deeper into the soil. Now we're just adding the topsoil on and raking it smooth until it's completely leveled out. We were able to get about 1/3 of the lawn covered and finished before the storm came, but now we have to wait until the storm passes to pick up on the project again. We did add this temporary fence to prevent the dogs from rolling in the mud, which has been a huge saving grace. But anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and follow for the next part.